Hello, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to week 7 of our organizational development class. Of course, by now you know to finish this video, go through the weekly learning objectives, and then dive into your readings. You will continue reading Leading Change and dive into some of the other components of the 8-stage process. We will also, as you're reading the book, continue to look for evidence of how a culture and cultural values and ethics and traditions and all of those things, consider how those can impact the 8-stage process and each of those stages and that synthesis between the two. Some of the videos look at talent management and where that can potentially impact the change process. For instance, developing leaders, because as we worked on last week, we looked at how leadership and management, they're two different things to a degree, although sometimes, again, leaders can be managers and managers can be leaders. Look at how that can impact the change efforts. We will also do something a little bit unique this week, and that is we are going to look in a little bit greater depth an individual organization, Google, and look at how they approach their talent development and some of their values you'll be exposed to and so on. So I thought that might be a little bit interesting for you to not only, we've of course looked at great depth Toyota and their culture, and now you're going to be briefly exposed to the culture of another successful organization. Dive into your discussions for the week. You, of course, have your quiz for the week and contributions to your portfolio. One reminder of your portfolio project, of course, you're working on synthesizing information. By now, you've been exposed to Toyota's methods and models and so on. You're exposed to the various approaches to change in the Leading Change book. You have some information this week giving you an idea of how Google approaches some of their talent development. So by now you're going to be synthesizing all sorts of information. So this is beginning to be a very critical stage in your learning process because you've been exposed to a lot of information. And over the next couple weeks, as you will see next week, you will really reflect back on a lot of the information that you've read and learned about, and you may even want to re-watch some of the various videos that we've already watched over the last few weeks. And finally, of course, please continue to complete the continuous improvement survey so we can better serve you as students, better improve our instruction methods, as well as the quality of this course. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.